So I was away for a few days and we cracked 1 million subscribers on the channel. How awesome is that? Luckily, my team was still at the shop and they managed to record this amazing milestone. And this is the awesome recording of the milestone. It's an amazing milestone, and I can't believe we've hit 1 million subscribers. I've been on YouTube for 10 years now, and we have 1 million subscribers. Huge thank you to all of you guys. But let's go talk to the team and see what they think about this huge milestone. Come on. Hey Bogdan, what do you think about 1 million subscribers?
We're gonna do more projects!
And what do you think about our 1 million subscribers?
It's fantastic.
Awesome. So Ian, what do you think about this awesome milestone?
I couldn't be more thrilled.
Great. All jokes aside, this is an awesome milestone for the channel, and it means huge things for us. It means what we're doing is right, and we're going to be able to continue doing even bigger projects, because the bigger this channel grows, the better the things we'll be able to create. So let's actually go talk to everyone on the team and see what projects we're working on right now. Come on. So as you guys know, one of my favorite new projects is the Batman tumbler, which doesn't quite look like a tumbler yet, but we're going to be doing some aesthetic things to make it look a bit cooler. But this thing is awesome. We've done 1 test drive so far, and it already performs great using just 1 motor, and we're planning on doubling that up. So right now, Adam's actually adding some safety features because, you know, it doesn't have a seat belt.
So we're adding some double shear mounts for the shoulder harnesses. They'll be mounted at the rear of the Baja, and it'll be similar to the ones we just installed for the lap belt.
Awesome. So we actually have a full 5-point seat harness from G-Force Racing Gear, which they sponsored this project for, which is awesome. It'll keep us in the buggy because I think we're going to flip it.
Definitely going to flip it.
In addition, right now, the other biggest project that I'm really excited for, and I know you guys have been dying for an update, is the Batman grappling hook gun, and it is almost done. So Ian's just putting the final touches on the winch right now. We've got the speed controllers set up, we've got an awesome 3D printed enclosure, and he's working on a few more parts that we're going to print to encase the wires over here, and we're going to be able to do a test video really soon. So one of our subscribers actually runs a machine shop, and they offered to produce some parts for us. Edge Precision. His name's Peter, and he's actually already got a video on his channel showing the manufacture of this, and it's awesome to watch. Take a look. So he's using a 5-axis mill to make this part, and like I was saying, if we were to actually outsource this would be several $100s very easily, maybe even more. It's made of solid Delrin, which is an awesome engineering plastic. So the next step will be removing the 3D printed part that we have and replacing it with this new, better one, and then we're going to be able to do the first test.
Oh, that's heavy.
It is a bit heavy, but it's Batman's grappling hook gun, right? Anyways, more on that later. Hey Bogdan, what are you working on now?
I am finishing up the trigger for the fully automatic gun for the turret.
Awesome. So another project which we've mentioned a few times, but you guys probably aren't actually aware of this, we're building Torbjorn's turret from Overwatch. and we're going to be using a semi-automatic, well, I guess automatic now, paintball turret using a TAC-5 Recon paintball gun and this little geared motor. So this thing is going to spin, and twice every rotation it shoots the paintball gun. And coupled with the camera tracking and laser sight, this will actually be able to automatically track and shoot people who enter the garage. How fast does this rotate at?
5,000 RPM?
5,000 RPM. Well, then it would shoot 10,000 shots a minute.
Yeah, that would be a bit much.
Sorry, it's 5,000 RPM at the motor, geared down to
What's the gear ratio on it?
a couple hundred. Anyways, it's going to be shooting paintballs at a rate of well over 100 per minute, which if it's tracking you and you can't run away from it because it just keeps following you, it's going to hurt a lot. We're going to have to find a volunteer willing to show off its capabilities. What else? Look down here, the 3D printer is finishing off one of the last parts for the winch, and then we're going to be able to do that test video, and it's going to be awesome. And of course, we have our robot arm. We've started cleaning it off, but like I said in the video, we can't spend too much time on this project because we got more pressing projects on the go, but we're going to be focusing a few hours a week on retrofitting this and hopefully getting it up and running, because having a 6-axis robot arm in the shop would be freaking amazing. And we just got a new garage door. No longer do we manually have to open it. We have a button. Now we really need this door because honestly the last door had cracks in it. Heat was just escaping through the garage like no tomorrow, and now we have a fully insulated metal door. Also a lot safer. You could have probably walked through the door if you walked fast enough. Like, that's how bad it was. So, in other news, a ski resort actually invited us to test out the jet-powered snowboard at an actual ski resort. So we're super excited to do that. We might be doing that next week. Like I said, we have tons of projects on the go, but that's to ensure you guys have tons and tons of content to watch on this channel. If we only worked on one project, you probably wouldn't see an update for months, because sometimes these things take a long time. Engineering parts takes time, having them manufactured if we can't make them in-house. There's tons of things, and if anyone is actually an engineer in the audience, they'll know just how long product development actually takes. And that's what we're doing here. Alright, so that's what we're working on right now. Tons of new videos coming soon. Thank you to all the new subscribers who helped push us over 1 million. It's one hell of a milestone, and I'm super proud of what we've achieved on this channel, and it's all because of you guys. So thanks a lot, and don't forget to check out our other projects. All jokes aside...
That's going